Alright, here is a 52-inch Hampton Bay ceiling fan. This is Hampton Bay on the switch housing. It's in white and brass. It's a hugger. I pulled the ceiling fan out of the garbage yesterday, and it does have a few marks on it, like on the switch cap, and it had this orange stain on one of the blades. I was able to get this out best I could. The overall look of it is somewhat nice, but somewhat ugly, depending on how you look at it and who you ask. I believe the ceiling fan is from the year 2008, and I do not know the model. And it works great, so I don't really understand why the people were throwing it away. Maybe they were just remodeling or something. So, yeah, I cleaned it up because it was pretty dusty. And yeah, now I have it installed here in my garage. So, let's start it up. Low. It's got a bit of a hum to it, but that's fine. It's got U-shaped brackets, as you probably noticed. And due to the fact that the blade ends have the hump on them, I believe this fan was SMC made, but I could be wrong about that. Medium. High. Yeah, this fan is putting off a pretty good breeze. I can feel breeze from over here where I'm standing. Yeah, this fan, it does its job well. It's a little crooked in the motor housing, as you might be able to tell, but that's fine. I really like the rings on the motor housing. Those are kind of cool. Yeah, it's putting off a really nice breeze. And by the way, it's got bleached oak blades on the other side. So there's a top shot. You might be able to tell. Turn it back off. And that's it. This is my 52-inch unknown Hampton Bay ceiling fan. Once again, I believe it is from the year 2008, and I also believe it is SMC made due to the blade ends. And I do not know the model. So if any of you know any additional information about this fan, you can let me know in the comments below. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. WaluigiMan8689, out.